Chile, Jordan, get away. Oh, Chile, Jordan, get away. Chile, Jordan, I want for cross over for see my Lord. Down here, on this your course. Oh, he come out here early. It's the deckling and thing like that. And go on your to this your show. Or you can't cast it. Cry, I tell you, chiller. You get something for Nyam Panya. Or back of your. Yeah, for us out to go on out your cast and thing like that. You could have gone to the shoreline and short the shrimp and thing like that upon the shoreline. Get things for Nyam Pun for the whole of the family would dip on the compound. But this you did now. Other us the people come here. Ain't like a we. We say the water to bring we. The water go take we back. So that why, right here, we have a lot of these other us children of whack when they come into this young course. Had a Queen Quet head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee nation. But these island, we call it sea islands, right here on the intercourse still. Waterway, they crack your teeth, they call them a sea. This your thing, the estuary where we be, and we be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Many people in there come here, they can't understand we tall when we crack we teeth this your way, y'all. So we have to learn how to children the other rest of we, so that the other rest of children can understand what we to say.
When many come here to play, they don't realize that there's an importance beyond recreation to those of us who stayed here from the 1500s, 1600s, 1800s. Even in the midst of chattel enslavement, numerous wars for the land that these marshes surround, we were rooted. We are the souls of not only the sea island sand, but the sea that's all around me, this estuary, from which we not only feed our families, but we feed our souls. The water to bring me, the water will take me back.